no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys a wig review from Outre. Her name is Begonia, but we're gonna call her Beg for short. So Beg, of course, has 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and she got that elastic band in the back. So this is how the hair is looking before I get to plucking her. If you are a avid wig wearer like myself, it's just something about, hey, thanks for the pre-plucked hairline, but I can take it from here, you know? This color, oh my God. When I tell you this color was so freaking pretty. I think she was in the color DRFF Amber Sunset, I believe. I'll make sure I have everything about this wig in my description box below. So right here, I'm just plucking away. I'm just plucking. I know y'all see that ended mark with the track and everything. I promise y'all would not be able to see that. So this is what she was given before, and after plucking, this is what she is giving now. Didn't feel like finding a stocking cap, so I just went on and just put it on my head. Like, look at the layers, look at the cut, look at the color. So this is what she looks like after I sprayed my tinting spray from Even. I'm gonna cut her with that razor. So my baby be asleep when I be filming my tutorials, so that's why y'all don't really see me using my blow dryer in these videos like that. I just dry manually now. We smoothing everything out. Look at that, y'all. Look at that hairline. So here's a quick little baby break. He is almost 10 months and I promise y'all he finna start walking. And I'm like, what? I just had you, dude. So I'm gonna cut those ear flaps off. Like, look at the color. I love this color, y'all. I love this color. So how am I feeling, Miss Begonia? So let's get into it. So Miss Begonia, she actually was tangling up just a bit. Miss Begonia does shed and she does tangle. So like y'all see in the video, I have a wide tooth comb to comb out those curls. You don't want to comb too hard. You don't want to brush too hard because you don't want to lose that wave in the hair. This was a very easy install. I love the texture of this wig. I feel like this wig had enough density. Like it wasn't too thin, but it wasn't too thick where it's like overwhelmingly hot under the wig because it's still summertime, y'all. I love the colors. I love the layers. I love the cut and the curls in this hair. Like I just really love this style. And for this to be a right side part, I'm really feeling her, and I'm a left side part girl, okay? So I don't know what it is with me and having my hair in updos and stuff, but I have been really feeling the updo look. I'm pretty sure like 2 to 3 videos that I've just done, my hair is up, but it's just something classy and sophisticated about a updo that I just really like. I'm almost 30. I know y'all, 30 is not old, but my body is saying otherwise. So that concludes today's video. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below, so make sure y'all go check that out. I would like to thank Outre for sending me this unit, and like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Make sure y'all like this video if y'all liked it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button too, baby. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.